Going to do a very quick review whilst I'm just waiting for a little bit of rendering to happen in my Premiere Pro of the SmallRig L bracket for the this is a Canon EOS R, which is my new camera. Love it. Normally use a Mark IV 5D, but I wanted to have a little play with the mirrorless cameras, and this is what I bought. But as you can see, let's just do the underside since it's in view here. This screw here is for allowing this end piece to slide further out if you prefer to have a gap. That side there houses the sockets for the various inputs and outputs, like the remote control, mic, HDMI, and various other things. So but there's actually really easy access anyway, so you don't really need to slide that out. But loosening that screw there allows this end plate to come out. But obviously that end plate is to allow you to fix it onto a tripod mount in a portrait mode, which is really handy, rather than tilting the ball head right over. If you've got a heavy camera, heavy lens, that can cause the tripod to be unstable. So it's much better, rather than tilting the ball head over to 90 degrees, is to actually have a bracket that allows you to hold the camera upright. Also underneath, this is a screw which actually bolts into the bottom of the camera, and then this is a little tool that it comes with that allows you to do the unscrewing, and it sits there with a magnet to hold it in place. So I'm doing this on the other side of the camera, so I might not have it in place. So it's relatively heavy, but then you need sturdiness. And really, for the price, I think it's absolutely superb. Oh, yep, sorry, one other thing. Let's just put the camera down gently there. That little silver coloured thing there is a knob which allows you to slide that, and then you can lift this up. Sorry, the phone is going out of focus, so just what I'm filming with. And that gives you full access to the battery compartment. That flips down, clicks into place, nice sturdy touch. So fabulous. This has got to be actually the best L bracket that I've bought. One slight problem, two things I would say. It's that it is A, quite heavy, and B, with my current setup on my Manfrotto with a three-legged thing ball head on it, there is some slack when I tighten the ball, when I put it in its sort of Arcam style bracket. But with the three-legged thing you can tighten that up. But it just means that the bracket that I use on my 5D Mark IV is going to have a different tension in it than this one here, which is a little bit of a pain. But in life, there's always a compromise. Oh, one other important thing which I was concerned about is whether you can open the screen at the back and rotate it around, and you can. Let me put it down and demonstrate. That's it. I'm just got to do it carefully. Lift that open, do the rotating whilst it's, sorry, I've got to be careful doing it one-handed. But so if you want to see the screen from the front, you can. Equally, flip it over. Everything fits really nicely and in place. So yeah, highly recommend the SmallRig L bracket for the Canon EOS R.